Here are 10 easy free crochet patterns. I'm Jess and I've crocheted my whole life. Let's get started. I have put links to all of these patterns in the description, so check that out. Number one, okay, if I were to teach a beginner workshop right now, I would start off with something definitely square and straight. So the first easy crochet pattern that I love is this waffle stitch blanket. Let me tell you about it. This is by Julie and Hannah from a website called I Can Crochet That. This is an easy stitch to learn how to crochet because you're just doing the same double crochet over and over and over again. It's straight back and forth, and the double crochet stitch is one of the first things you learn when you start out crocheting. So I would definitely recommend to try this out. The second easy thing to crochet is a washcloth, or like even like a rag to wash your dishes with, or like hot pads, something square, like small and square like that. This is a washcloth by Krista from Easy Crochet. It uses the single crochet and the half double crochet stitches. And I like how simple it is. It's beautiful. The texture is beautiful. And it's great to practice those two stitches over and over again. So I would definitely try this out. The third easy crochet project that you can do as a beginner crocheter is anything with blankets. So a simple stitch back and forth like this one here. This is Sweet Lines Baby Blanket by Daisy Farm Crafts. And she even puts a beautiful little shell edge around it. So if you're wanting to practice, a few different stitches, think that she uses in this pattern single crochet, double crochet, and half double crochet. And it's great to learn how to make a border. So I would definitely work on that. Fourth thing on my list is this adorable bucket hat. So you got to learn how to crochet also in circles, right? Because if you want to make anything round like a basket or a hat, hats are a big deal all year long if you're into crocheting. I would definitely make this for my daughter. I think it's so sweet. And there's another version here where she adds like a little flower. This is the sweetest hat. This is a crochet pattern by PrettyDarnAdorable. She does this in several different sizes. Super cute pattern. Number 5 is this mini pullover sweater. She's using like a type of cluster stitch with like 3 or 4 stitches together. This is from MJ's Off the Hook Designs. She has this pattern in several sizes, from child size, all different child sizes from baby to 12 years old. Very, very cute. I just love a crochet sweater. Number 6 is a granny square blanket. This is also simple because it's just double crochets. So you're just kind of double crocheting around and then you slip stitch over or not. This is a great project if you like doing double crochet and you want to change colors. So that's what people love about the granny square is if you're learning how to change colors, this is a great project for that. And it's just vibrant and beautiful. Number 7 on the list is baby booties and a matching hat. So if you know how to make a circle, you can make a hat. There's different ways to make a hat. When it comes to newborns and babies, I always go with the top down kind of hats. That way it's a perfect snuggle fit. And look at these cute booties. This is a pattern from LisaAuch. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Crochet patterns. Very cute set to give to a baby in your life. Number 8, we have a simple headband. This is usually done like straight back and forth, and then at the end you twist it. This is a quick project to make if you're wanting to try out different colors of yarn, or if you want to use up the stash that you have in your house and do a quick gift. This is a really cute idea. Number 9 is an Ombre t-shirt yarn organizing basket. This is from CraftwithJess, which is me. I made this pattern for my beginner workshops that I host, and it's using a center single crochet, which mimics a knit stitch basically. It's called the knit stitch. You can learn how to also change colors in a smooth, even way. You can grab the pattern for this in the description. And number 10 on our list are face scrubbies. This is from Handylittleme.com from Louise. I just love these scrubbies. I've never actually thought of doing face scrubbies like this, but I should because I really am into my skincare lately. Think about that. What a cute gift idea, right? And it's a simple circle. You could probably do this with single crochet or double crochet. and add a little thing on the back so you can hold it. I think this is a great idea of something to make when you're a beginner because you need to learn how to make circles as well as squares, right? It's not like you're making a basket where you're committing to a long project, you're just making little circles and it's useful. So who doesn't love super useful crochet things? Leave a comment and tell me which stitch you think is the easiest to start out with as a beginner crocheter. And I want to know, do most people start out making square things or do they start out making round things? Tell me about your experience. I'd love to hear from you. Ciao.